Okay. All right. So here we are, and let's log into our backend bbic.infinity.com/wp admin. All right. So here we are. WP admin will take you, if you suffix this WP admin uh, at the end of your website name, then it will take you to the backend. Okay. It will show you the login window, and then it will take you to the backends. Okay. Let's get started now. So in the previous class, what we did, so here is your website outlook, how your website is looking after the making. Okay. So here is your home page. Here is your about us page, category, contact us, and these are your social media links. Okay. And this is your good afternoon, Mastanwali. So this is your uh, mode, dark mode and lighter mode. Some people feel like watching or viewing the website in a darker mode, and some people feel like viewing the website in a lighter mode. Lighter mode means the normal mode, white mode. Everything looks white or normal. And if you go into the darker mode, it will look, the background will look like black or some other color, whichever you have chosen. So I'm turning it back to normal mode. Then you have this search button. Okay, you can search it, anything you can search, like about us. Okay, so if I want to search for about us within this website, then just click here, and you will land onto the about us page like this. Okay. About us. Okay, and this is your WhatsApp button. Okay, let me see, there's something wrong, I think. Acha, okay. It is taking you to the shortcut of about us. About us. So this is taking you to the about us page, and here if you click on about us, then you will land onto your given about us page. Now this is your WhatsApp button. Okay, we have learned about all these kind of things, and then we have also learned about how to make different sections. And this recent blog section has been made with the help of one additional plugin called uh, this thing. What is it? One plugin we downloaded. What is that name? Its name is Post Grid. The Post Grid is the name of the uh, plugin that we downloaded, and this plugin will help you to see your posts like this, in this order or in this way, in this design. Okay, like this. Thereafter, we created another section called You May Have Missed. Okay, where we have some, if you have some previous posts, very old posts, and you want, you have been creating the posts one after the other. So now you want to show, you want to remind the user of the past or the previous posts also, or the older posts also. Then you can showcase those posts over here. I have made a column for 4 posts, so we can showcase 4 posts in the row. Okay, so this is what is meant by you may have missed. Whenever you have some old posts, and you want to recall, you also want users or the readers to read those posts also, then you can mm, showcase these posts over here. The latest post obviously you can showcase over here. Okay, so you can mention it as category, or you can mention it as blogs. Okay, blogs on politics, blogs on sports, blogs on entertainment, blogs on religion, and all that. Thereafter we have inserted some social media icons like this. So you know how to insert the social media posts or social media icons. Okay, and how to link them. And in the yesterday's class only, we learned how to make the footer footer menu, right? uh, we have selected 3 sections or 3 columns for our footer, right? So one column is search, another column is category, and the third column is of the Facebook. That means the social media. So you can choose 3 columns or whatever 2 columns if you want to show. Then you can choose accordingly. I have chosen 3 columns. So on one column, in one column, we have used the search button. So user can use search button to search anything. Okay. Suppose if I want to search for us, about us. Okay. And I just click on this search, and then we can get onto this about us. Okay. And then if you click on it, you will come to know about the about us. Okay, coming back to the footer menu. So this is the footer menu. Once on one side we have used the search button. On the second, in the second column we have used the categories. Okay, categories is the title, and we have various categories like politics, sports, entertainment, and so. Just like on the top we have made the categories, and in the similar manner we are also want to show it on at the bottom. So we are showing it in the third column. If you have already shown your this thing, uh, Facebook, Instagram icons over here, then you don't need to show it over here. But what is the usual practice? Usual practice is to show it in the footer menu. Normally you will find the you will usually find the social media icons on the footer menu only, and not anywhere else. And sometimes there are some websites where your where your social media icons appear over somewhere here at the corner in the vertical form, right? Now today I will tell you how to add a chat button or a WhatsApp button. All right. How to add a chat button or a WhatsApp button. So let me show you first of all how what do I mean by this. Uh, okay. What should I select? Let's select something else. Okay. Let me take you to this website just like that. So this is a website, and if you can see at the bottom, see here at the bottom, there is a WhatsApp button, right? Now, if you click on it, you will land onto their WhatsApp. Okay. So you can chat with them on WhatsApp. So how you can add such type of button on your website so that users can chat with you. Okay. So let's get into it, and let's get on the back end. For this, we have to install another plugin, and so we want to go under plugin sections and then add plugin. Okay. After going to the plugin section, then find out a plugin called WhatsApp, WhatsApp chat, or WhatsApp, only WhatsApp. Okay, it will show you. So there are lot of buttons over here, you can see. So which one to choose, that depends on the ratings and reviews. Okay, so here we are. There are 5,000 active installations. Okay. Okay. Or you can choose another um, plugin, which is chat. Click to chat. This is the most frequently used, this is the most frequently used this thing, plugin for chat button. Okay. If you want to add a chat button, you so that the user can chat with you, then you can install this one. And if you want a WhatsApp chat separately, that you want to take your user to your WhatsApp, then you can add that one also. Okay. You can also look into the ratings and installations. See here, there is a 5+ ratings. All the people have rated it good, and 7 lakh installations, active installations are there. All right. So, and here also, uh, floating chat, 4 lakh installations are there. And then you have this one also, 60,000 installations. Okay. So I think we should go for the most popular one, which is chat to, click to chat. All right. Click to chat. Just install it and then activate it. So this is click to chat, and then you have to activate it. All right. Now let's go to the settings. Click to chat and then settings. Okay. Once you are into settings, you have to insert your WhatsApp number. Okay, whatever your WhatsApp number is. If you can see, see here is a, here they have shown a sample what your WhatsApp number could be. I'm just entering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that. Okay. Just a minute. Okay.
ఎంత బతుకుదంట తాగుతున్నారు వాళ్ళు.
So this is a 10-digit mobile number. Uh, Please mute yourself. Asha Jyoti, please mute yourself. All right. Let's get back. So here we are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. And uh, mm, then then you see, because we are from India, so it is showing +91. If you belong to some other country or your WhatsApp number is of some other country, then you can always scroll down, drop down and select the country to which you belong to. Okay. Once you select the country, then you can enter your mobile number, because this +1 is the country code of India. So it is already it is prefixed. Okay, you don't need to um, add +91. It will automatically be added. Suppose I belong to some other country, for example, let's say Australia. So the country code of Australia will be prefixed like +61. All right, let's change it back to India. +91. The country code are already prefixed. Okay. So you don't need to worry about it. You just have to write down your 10-digit mobile number. I have just entered the dummy mobile number. Okay. And let's go down and make some changes. So now second is the pre-filled message. Pre-filled message means how do you want to welcome your audience, or how do you want to welcome your uh, customer, whoever clicks on this button. How do you want to welcome? Like you must have some or the other time visited some bank website, internet banking website. They always say, "Hello, I am Anna. How may I help you?" Right? Like this. There is a welcome message. So, similarly, you can also prefix or pre install a pre filled message like, "Hello, I am uh, chat support executive," and then you can write, "How may I help you? How may I help you with?" Okay. How may I help you with? Got it? So you are giving, whenever anybody clicks on this WhatsApp button, they will get uh, a welcome message that, "Hello, I am chat support executive," or you can insert your name. "My name is X, my name is Y. How may I help you?" Okay. Now, call to action button. Call to action button is, what do you want it to look like? What do you want it um, to be displayed like? What text do you want under the icon? Okay, I want to WhatsApp. So let's write down WhatsApp. I'll show you practically how it works. Okay. So next is style and position. Style and position means where do you want this button to appear? All right. Where do you want this button to appear? First is theme button. So first one is a theme button. Second one is green square. Okay. Green square, you can see, you can notice the on the right hand side corner, if you are able to see this, this becomes square, green square icon. That means the icon has become in the square shape. Style number 3, it will be only icon, WhatsApp icon will be there. Okay. Then style number 3, extended. So it will be similar, only the icon, but it will become, it will appear in a bigger shape like this. So see, it has appeared in the bigger shape. So, and now style number 4, chip. Chip means like this, it will appear like this. Okay. Style number 5, image on our content box. So if you want your executive's image to appear over here along with the, because user should know with whom they are chatting, right? So it will, let me take this to little bit left. Yes. Now, if you want your user to know with whom they are chatting on WhatsApp, then this image will also appear. Okay, like this. And then you have style number 6, plain text. There will be nothing but only plain text is written WhatsApp. And if anybody clicks on it, they will land onto your WhatsApp page or WhatsApp account, and they can easily chat with you. Style number 7 shows icon with padding. Icon with padding means this is white outline is your icon, and there is a slight padding. Padding means some distance. Okay, some distance you can see, and then there is a round circle in green. Okay, so this is called as padding. Style number 7, extended. So this is icon on hover over extend. So this is an extension of the 7th one, uh, with padding. Now you will see this with in a bigger shape. Okay, icon with hover over extend, and that means if you hover over it, then you will get a text also that it is a WhatsApp button. Okay. And on the previous one, what was it? You will get a smaller text like WhatsApp. It is written in small. And when you click on this extended one, if you choose this extended one, then you will find it in a bigger size. Now style number 8. Style number 8 is button. So button means that you will find it as a whole button. That means the icon is also inside the button, and WhatsApp is also written inside the button. Okay. So anybody can just click on it. Suppose I don't know what this button indicates. Suppose I don't know the what is because I am not on WhatsApp. So suppose I don't know what is the icon of the WhatsApp. Okay, I don't know what this icon means. So in such cases, you can choose a button, so that if anybody does not recognizes that what this button is all about, then they can read out WhatsApp. Okay, so they know that this is a WhatsApp button. Now style number 99, or you can say style number 9, own image. So own image here is only, usually own image means that you can insert your own image. Okay, but somewhat these features, there are some features which are available only on the uh, in the paid version. These are available free of cost. You can choose any one of them, and I think this is the most common one which we usually use. All right. Then we have position. Position means whether you want a fixed position. Fixed position means whether you want to show uh, this is a fixed position back actually. That means your button will not keep on moving or floating here and there. Okay, there is a fixed position. But in that also, if you want to show your button on the left hand side or top right, top left, or any other position, that you can do. How? Let's take a look to the next option, that is position to place. Okay, position to place means that first of all, where do you want to show it, at the bottom or at the top? I uh, Usually we prefer at the bottom, but I am for now turning it to top and see where it will go. So here it will go on the top like this, if you can see. Okay, but usually on the top it is not visible clearly, so normally we choose at the bottom. Okay, now okay, let's do it. Let's keep it for top, and then where, on the top left you want to show or on the top right you want to show. Suppose it is on the right. Now I want to show it on the left, top but left. So it will move to the left. Okay, like this. And then you can also choose the size. I think that the size is quite small. If I think so, that the size is quite small, then I can always change the size. Suppose I want to change the size to 30 pixel, then it will get bigger. Okay, like this. See, the button has got bigger. Okay, but as usual, I am turning it back to bottom and right. Bottom this. So suppose if I want to show it at the bottom left, then it will appear like this. Okay, if I choose bottom right, then it will appear to be like this. Okay, you can always change the size. If I want to make it even bigger, then I can choose 50 pixels like this. So it will get even bigger. I hope that makes sense. And let's move on further. So URL structure means that whenever anybody clicks on it, the WhatsApp should open on the next tab. Okay, not on the same tab, because we want the user to remain on our website, but still if they want to chat with us, the new tab should open up. Okay, let me show you how. So if I click on this WhatsApp button, it is opening in the new tab, right? Like this. Now display settings. On the desktop, you want to show the WhatsApp or not, or do you want to hide? Suppose I say that I want to show it on WhatsApp, or maybe I want to show it on mobile, and I want to hide it on WhatsApp. Oh, sorry, desktop. So this will get hidden when anybody logs in through their website. All right. So like this. Similarly, globally, it should be shown on all the pages. Okay. Then you don't need to make um, any other changes. Let's keep them as it is. And there are certain features which are available. As I told you, there are certain features which are available only in the pro version, right? So if you have taken a pro version, that means the paid version of it, then only you can select those features. All right. I think this is done. Let me again show it. Okay. Now, once everything is done, you can save it. Let's see if there is a save button. Yes. So you can see that there is a button called save changes. Okay. So I am saving the changes, and let's see whether the for now you can see this is our home page. Okay, this is our home page, and nothing as of now, nothing appears like WhatsApp button over here. We can't see any WhatsApp button over here anywhere at the bottom right. Okay, we can only see this arrow button, but I want the WhatsApp button to also appear, which we have just created. So let's refresh this page. Okay, reload this page or refresh this page, and now see, this WhatsApp button has appeared. Okay, see, WhatsApp button is there, and this arrow button is also there. So if I click on this WhatsApp, now what will happen? This screen will show up. Okay, and how do you do that? How do you because we have entered a random number, so it is showing that it is a invalid number. Okay, so but had you chosen the right number, then what would have been the case? you you have to continue with the website. Okay, and
Madam,
click on open app,
so many person
and then
mute, madam, please.
you have to
అదా అయింది అందరూ చాలా డల్గా జరుగుతున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది.
okay, and then you have to open the app and show your mobile app, WhatsApp app, and from there you can scan it. Okay, it will open a scanner for you. You can scan your app. Okay, let me close it. Okay, like this. So this is how the WhatsApp button is installed. I hope that makes sense. It is clear to you. So you can now see that everything looks fine. WhatsApp button is now installed. Okay, now one more thing we want to install is the counter. Counter means how many people have visited our page, right? So let's install that also. Again, for installing anything new, you have to install a new plugin. Okay, so just go to plugins, add new plugin, and after add new plugin, search for uh, page counter, page visit counter, or page counter, or visitor counter. visit counter. Okay, let's search for it and see what results do we get. Okay, so here we are. It is page visit counter. Okay, 5,000 installations. Then we have WP post statistics, visitor and visit counter. Then we have post view counters. That means how many people have viewed our content. For example, let me show you. For example, if this is a website and we go to the blogs page, and if we open any specific blog, okay, anything, anybody, any like this one, India and I Fund. Let's click on it and see how many people have visited or seen or viewed this page or this blog. So let's go down. So here it is, 111 people have viewed this post. Okay, post views. And let's see what kind of uh, plugin have we installed for them. Let me go inside their login page. Okay, let's log in to their page. Now, after this, you have to just go to plugins and see installed plugins in order to check which plugin did we installed for them for viewing the post. So this post view counter, this is the plugin that we downloaded for them, installed for them for viewing the posts. Okay, post view counter. So either you can install the same plugin or you can use some other plugin also. Let me go back again and we can install this one, 2 lakh post views counter. This one, this is the one which we installed. Okay, or just a minute, counter hits, this is also okay. Let's turn back. WP views counter, this is also one of the plugins which you can install. You can check out whatever you feel like, you can install the same. Okay, so let me install this one only, post views counter. Install and then we'll activate it. Okay, it is now installed and let's activate it also. Okay, done. So now we have installed a plugin called post view counters. Okay, so let's go into their settings. All right, now there are certain settings which you want to which you have to do. Okay, so what do you want to track? First of all, where should your what you want to track, where should this counter work, whether you want to work on floating elements, media, my templates, pages, or post. I want to track my pages also and my post also. Tracking means that how many people have visited my pages, and which page has been visited how many times, and which post has been visited by the visitor. Okay. So this is what is post type. Now all other features appears to be the pro ones, pro features, right? So you don't need to uh, change it. And count interval. So when do you want, how many hours or minutes or seconds do you want these counters to change? I want this counter to change after every 5 minutes or every 1 minute. So if there have been some users who say, suppose 10 users have been visiting every minute in my website, so this counter will change after every 1 minute. Okay. Now clean up intervals. I don't want to clean the intervals, or I don't want to uh, remove the figure that how many people have visited my page. For example, this one, this is the original figure till date. That means since the blog was created and till date, we can see that triple one visitors have visited this page. I have not cleaned up this figure or this data. Okay. Okay, done. Now everything appears fine. Now you don't need to make changes in each and everything, uh, because not everything it needs to be changed. Okay. Now I think everything appears to be fine as of now. And this display, let's see display. Mm, okay. So you want to, do you want to show the icon also and label also, or you want to show only the icon, or sorry, only the label? Label icon means this. This is the icon. That means these bars that you can see, these are the icons of the post views. Or you want only this to appear, post views, and then this, the number of posts that have been visited. What do you want? Okay. So we want both of them, icon also and label also. Then that's it. I think everything is fine over here. Then you can, once you are satisfied, you can always uh, save the changes. Okay. Admin interface. Okay. Okay, now you can click on save changes. Okay. Let's see, uh, let's see where we have got this. Go to your home page, refresh it, and let's see if it has, if we have got the counter or not. Okay. No, we have not yet got the counter. Why? The reason is something else. I'll tell you what. Just a minute. In your dashboard, you must have got this. Let me check. This one, post view, counting. Acha, okay, I think I have not done the pages. So that is why it is not appearing on the page. So now I have made the changes, and let's save it and then see if it appears on the pages also. See, now it has started appearing. Okay, this is the bar where you can find the visitors count. Okay, the more the number of people will visit, the more it will show you the graph. Got it? Like here. If you want to see on the back end also, then also you can see here. I think it should also appear on the, let's see, display. Where do you want to display it? Position should be after home page. So this top menu. Okay. Now we have made the changes, and let's see. So it will appear here on the top of your bar. Okay, top bar, like this. Okay, and here also you can see post views. Now it has appeared with the bars post view 1. Got it? Like this. And let's change the page and go to some other page and see sports. Okay, so this is our sports page, and go down and you will find the uh, page, this post views also. So let's click on it and go down. See, post views 1. Okay, the more the number of times the different users are clicking on this or viewing this page, this post views count will change automatically. Okay, and it is free from any kind of biases. Nobody can change this figure on their own. Okay, no user and no admin can change this figure. Okay, because we have set the settings like that. I hope it is clear to you, post view count and how it has to be set. And here also we have set the on the top also you will keep noticing the figures. Okay, now you might be wondering that what is it? It is just a dot 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 and some one bar is standing over here. So this is also the post view count. So the whenever the numbers will increase, it will show you the graph and the figures also. I hope that makes sense and it is quite clear to you for now. Now I want to show you something else. I want to tell you something else also. Let's go to settings. Okay. Now from the top, let me show you how we have proceeded. So this is a dashboard. First of all, go to dashboard. Dashboard means the main dashboard where you can find all the main things like this. Post views. So now you can see the post view counts have increased to 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you can see which pages users visited. Here it is. contact us page one times, home page one time, gore killing trophies and money one time. So this is how the figures are changing, and the number of views will be apparent over, right over on your dashboard. Okay, so this is the figure from November 25 to December 25. But you will say that in the November we did not even created this website. So that is true, but by default they show you 1 month, uh, that means the monthly data. So November, December, and then January 2026. Okay, that means the month you are in, and 1 month before that month, and 1 month after that month. Okay, one past month and one future month will be shown, and the data will be shown up here. Okay, this shows total views. This shows darker one shows page views, and still darker one shows the post views. So you can view this like this. Okay, I hope that is clear now. And I was saying that this is the dashboard where you can see the basic information about your website. Okay. Next, we have post. We have already learned about the post, how the posts work, and how do you create the posts, right? If you want to see the post, you can just click on go to all posts, and you can see or read any post, or you can make changes in any posts. All right, like this. These are the posts. If you want to make changes in any post, you can always click on edit with Elementor, right? And if you want to add a new post, then you can either click here on the top, or you can go on the left hand side under all post. First option is add post. So you can click here, then also you can add a post. Then we have categories. You have already added the categories. And next one is tags. So these are the tags. That means how people search, or what tags do you want. For example, I want to add a tag like blog. Okay. So I have added a tag like blog. Okay, tag means the tags that you show like this. These are the tags. Okay, so how people may search. Then we have media. Media means all the images that you have inserted in your website that will appear over here. Media library. If you want to add a new image, you can go to add media file. Otherwise, you can see all the images that you have inserted. See, we have inserted this image, this image, this image, this image, this image, this image, and this image. So all the images we have inserted during the working of our website somewhere or the other, right? So this is media. And if you want to add some more media files, meaning that you want to add some more pictures, you can always go to top add media files. So my suggestion is that before running or before working on a website, you should first of all create a structure or a layout as to what your website should look like. Okay, or how do you want to create your website? What sections do you want? Okay, what pages you want? What images do you want to insert? So once you have decided on it that you want to insert these kind of images on your website, you can collect those images, and then you can add the media files right over here. before even starting the before even starting to work on your website. All right. So this is it. This is adding the media. Okay. Then pages we have already seen. Media, the post grid is the this thing, plugin that we installed just to show the this thing, recent post. Then comments. If anybody has posted any comment on our website, then on any of these blogs, then these comments will appear over here. Okay. Then Elementor is the page builder that we have been working on every page, for making changes, for writing the text, for making changes in the headlines, inserting the images. All that we have been doing through Elementor. Okay. Then we have WP forms. WP forms we have used to insert the form on the contact us page, as you must remember. Under appearance, we have themes. So what theme you have installed, that you can see under themes. Okay. Then we have, you can leave this pattern, then customize. Whatever main customization you want to do, you can either directly go to customize and make the changes. Let me click on it to show you again. So here it is. These are the settings that you can make anywhere and everywhere on your pages. Okay. So let's go back. Okay. Then we have customize. Then we have widgets. If you want to add some more widgets means some additional, like these are the widgets. Okay. So if you want to add some more widgets, you can always add it. For example, let me show you. The already added widgets are like this: recent post. See, on your website, if you can see, search, recent post, recent comments, archives. All these are the or are the this thing, what is it called, uh, widgets. All right. So if you want to add any widget on the footer menu also, that also you can always do. So here currently we have one or three widgets at the footer. First is search, then second one is category, and the third one is, let me see, third one would be social media icons, like this. Okay. Like this. Fourth one, if you want to add fourth one, although it is not there right now, but in case you want, you can always add it. Okay. That's it. So these are the widgets. Menus we have already done. Header, I have already told you how to edit the header. This is called as header basically. This is your header. This black belt is called as top header, and this one is called as the main header. Okay. So these are the things. And plugins also, I have told you what is plugin. Now users. So users, let me quickly complete it. So users are how many. If you want to add any more user, that means you are not the only person who takes care of your website. There are one or two more persons who takes care of your website or who access your website. Then you can always add the user. Okay. Let's add it. You can assign them username, email ID, first name, last name, and so on, and password. This is done in order to and what is the role of that particular person, whether he is a writer, a content writer, whether he is an author, whether he is an editor, whether he is an admin or a subscriber. You have to give a specific role to that particular person. This is done in order to avoid any kind of mess. Suppose I have also done some changes on the website, and some other person also has done some changes on the website. So, and there is something has gone wrong. So, who will tell that whose mistake was it? Okay, we just play the blame games. I start blaming the other person starts blaming on me. So if you assign the username and password to each user, then it will be easier for the company to identify the person who was at fault, right? Now, next thing is tools. So you don't need to use these things. Now, going to settings, leave it. Now go to settings quickly, and here it is. Now, what is the site title? If you have not yet changed the site title, then you can always change the site title, but we have already changed it, so we don't need to make any further changes. So BBIC, then tagline, your search of training for training ends here. Okay, site icon, if you have not yet chosen, you can choose it now. Okay, then your address, your website address is this. Got it? Next, admin, who admin email ID, you can this is the admin email ID as of now. Then membership, anyone can register. Yes, anyone can register. New user role default, that means if anybody is logging into our website, then and he wants to be a member, then what kind of member is he should be a subscriber. Okay, now the most important one, date format. Okay, so date format should be obviously, like, how do you want your date to appear, like December 19, 2025, or 25/12 YYMMDD? Which format do you want? You can choose that format, and also the time format. Okay, and your week starts on Monday. Okay, if your week is starting on some other date, that means maybe you are living in some other country, and in that country week starts on Sunday or maybe Wednesday, then as per your choice you can always make the changes, right? Once you have made the changes, you have to save it, but because we haven't made any changes, so there is no need to save it. Okay, so now going on to the writing part, let me quickly, I have to finish this up. Writing part, so default post category should be uh, category. Okay, and default post format should be a standard. Rest everything is fine, you don't need to make any changes over here. Okay, and then you can save it. Okay, and then reading. Now most important is reading. So let's see what do we have to do in this. First of all, your home page displays what should your home page display? Your latest post or your static page? Static page means a fixed page. Okay, and what is that static page? I want static page to be my uh, home page, which is home one. Okay, and post page is always the category page. How many blogs do you want to show at max? I want to show maximum of 10 uh, 10 blogs in one page. Everything done, let's save it. That's it, nothing else you have to make changes. So now Mm, mm, mm. Okay, like this. So this is done. Okay, so like this, on the top we have got the snapshots, right, of what are the latest posts that are going around on our website. This is the ticket. Okay, and then we have the main page like this. I hope that looks fine. And this is it with your website part. Now your website is done. Your website is making is over. Um, I'll take one more session on website and I'll tell you how, when you are going to take your domain name and a hosting, how are you going to take a domain name and hosting in the actual scenario. Actual scenario means that this is a website which will not be live on Google, right? As I told you in the beginning only, that because this is a practice website and this is a free website, so it is not going to appear anywhere on the Google. It will not be listed on Google. But when you take your actual site, how that site will appear on Google and how you will take the domain name, what are the things that you have to consider for taking your domain name and hosting, that I'll be telling you in the next session, that is Monday. Okay, and after that we'll be starting with the SEO part, search engine optimization. All right, so this is it for now. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Do you have any questions to ask? Okay. Okay, Adarsh. Okay, Kumeda Bhavani. Okay, Adarsh. Okay. Okay, then fine. Uh, Meanwhile, I'll be giving you the quiz part. Okay. Just complete it and revert it back. And then we'll be meeting on Monday to know how to take up a domain name from various websites and how to take the hosting plan. All right. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.